Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Kenmore 12 cup drip coffee maker. Alright, the Kenmore 12 cup drip coffee maker. I did not know that Kenmore made coffee makers. I mean, I know they made appliances, I was under the impression they made large appliances. I mean, my washer and dryer unit, my stackable, that's a Kenmore. But I didn't know they made small appliances like coffee makers. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this. I paid $65.99 for this. That's by the way, that was like late April 2024. Just want to give that at time of recording price as I always do. All right, I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. Not much, but it does come with some stuff. This removable, reusable filter. I always like when they come with these. If you don't want to use this, you could just use a 12 cup cone style paper filter if you want. Not the basket style, but the cone or the funnel style filters. And we have the removable brew basket. There's the shower head. There's a look inside the reservoir. Not a lot of room to pour the water. And that hole right there, that's where you're going to put the optional filter. We'll get into that in just a minute. There's the water level indicator from 4 cups all the way up to 12 cups. There's a quick look at the carafe. This piece that you see here, this is the housing for the filter, for the optional filter. This right here, which it comes with. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this up like so. Place the filter right in there and just close it. Like that. I'm going to take that and just put it right in that notch. We'll go by feel until it's secure. There we go. And that's done. Okay, time to make some coffee. I went ahead and I put in a full 12 cups of filtered water. I'm going to make a full 12 cup pot. Also put in 12 tablespoons of like a medium grind coffee. Figure you're going to do a tablespoon per cup with this. And I'm going to show how to set the clock and the programmable timer. When you plug it in, it goes to the default 12 a.m. And the first thing you want to do is set the clock. You're going to set the current time. In this example, let's just set it for like 3:05 p.m. So we'll head over to the hour button. We'll hold it down until we get 3 o'clock. We'll head over to the minute button. We'll just select 3:05. No, 5 minutes in. Oh, you also have the AM and PM indicator as well. Setting the programmable timer is very easy. It's the same like setting the clock. A couple of steps. First, you press the program button. Once again, it goes to the default 12 a.m. Notice you see that little clock icon. I guess if you release it after a couple of seconds, it goes back to the time. So we'll just hit that and we'll set it for like 6:10 a.m. So 6 and we'll just go to 10. It's one nice even number because we're going to time this. It takes about a minute a cup during testing. And once you release it, the time for it to go off at 6:10 a.m. is set, but there is one more step. You want to hit that auto on button. You want to make sure you see that clock icon stay illuminated. If you don't see that, it won't go off. So just make sure you hit that auto on. Let's say you don't want to deal with the clock or programmable timer, you just want to plug it in and make some coffee right away. You just select that start stop button. That's like an on off button. If you want to make anything under 4 cups or anything in between 1 to 4 cups, they have a feature for that as well. You would just select that 1 to 4 cup button. Once again, that's anything under 4 cups. But since we're making a full pot, we're just going to ignore that. And that filter reset, that's for when it's time to clean the coffee maker, when you put in like a half a pot of vinegar, a half a pot of water, and you just let it run through a couple of cycles. Okay, just about done. 3 minutes more than I thought for the full 12 cup pot. I thought it was like a minute a cup. During testing, I just ran water through it. So it took 12 minutes. So figure 15 minutes for the whole pot. I'm just waiting for the last few drops before I pour. That should be good. $1.65. All right, that's good. That's a nice hot cup of coffee. That's very good. As always, a little splash of milk, so you get an idea of strength. Once again, that was 12 tablespoons of a medium grind for the full pot. Wait for those motorcycles to go by. All right, let's see. The first thing I notice is that temperature. It's really nice. Nice and hot. Just like I like it. And full of flavor. Really, really good. It doesn't make a mess. Very good. But that's going to be the video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hope it was interesting for anyone who's considering getting this unit. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, I love reading your feedback. Like the video, share the video. Please subscribe to the channel. That definitely helps the channel grow. It is helping the channel grow. And I will catch you in my next one.